Controversial social media critic Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Verydarkman (VDM), reacts to allegations by TVC guests, questioning the credibility of media stations. Earlier, Verydarkman appealed to TVC for an interview to address allegations made by a guest who accused him of fraud and homosexuality. During the interview, D1 showed the male presenter one of the videos he claimed to have of VDM, showing his bedroom acts with men. The male presenter, after watching the clip, confirmed he spotted VDM in the explicit video. Reacting to the video, Verydarkman has responded to the allegations in the latest move on Instagram, requesting an interview with TVC to address claims made by D1 accusing him of fraud and homosexuality. However, Verydarkman berated the show's presenter, demanding that evidence be presented to substantiate the claims. He explained that the male presenter was lying against him. The critic emphasized that no narrative, regardless of its presentation, can ever supersede the truth. He said,
"Now, while that interview they go on with that one, they can't carry evidence. According to them, will carry evidence, show this guy. Come ask the guy, say, you see the evidence? That one say yes. Say, yeah. What evidence did you see? You go tell Nigerians. So. I want to expose me. And when I go post that evidence for online. When I must expose Verydarkman, when I go post that thing, maybe all Nigeria see. They are getting evidence on I see, man, when I go post that.
The media station noted the presenter has reacted to these allegations. We will continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.